How's it going, everybody? First off, I want to apologize. For some reason, my first take always glitches out when I submit it, so I'm just gonna do it like this, and hopefully it works this time. But anyways, with regards to the video, first off, I want to say that I do believe there are other beings out there, or life, I should say, out there. It just kind of seems weird to me that we are the only exception that could happen in the entire universe, especially when judging from the video how small we actually are, and we're really, really, really small. So it's just kind of strange to me that we can be the only coincidence, that had life happen to them. I guess I could say it. But my second point, with regards of communicating with them, it would take a very, very long time to even get in contact with them, even in space, with communication traveling at the speed of light. I think, isn't there a saying or a joke out there that's saying, um, if aliens were looking at us like on the stars with a giant telescope, that they'd be seeing dinosaurs just because of how far away it is and how long it takes light to even travel from there. And some stars we see up in the night sky, like their supernovas happened 200 to 300,000 years ago, but we still see them just because light hasn't traveled this far to see it happen yet. And so those are kind of my 2 points that in my rationale is that yeah, there is other life out there, but communicating with them would be very, very difficult. And even if they'd want to bother with us or talk to us or make an appearance to us, that's an entirely new topic we could talk about. So yeah, how do I stop this thing? There it is.